When all progress has been updated, click on Schedule on the top right-hand side of the screen. Then select View Schedule to see the progress which has been reported in the form of a schedule. This will take you to a Gantt chart view where the tasks are grouped by WBS and sorted by start date. The task groups can be expanded and contracted using the Expand Task Groups button at the top right corner. Here, you can also search for a specific task using the search bar, or filter by various options using the two drop-down menus. The Gantt chart itself shows the names of the tasks, the remaining duration at the start of the current reporting period, the baseline start and finish dates. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the graphical representation of that data. By clicking on the Setting button at the right top corner, you can edit the current view or create bespoke new views for your own needs. In the Edit or Create View dialog boxes, you would be able to add various columns to the Gantt chart, as well as to specify bar labels or different WBS grouping. Once you click Save, your changes are applied to the view. If we have a closer look at the current example, we can now see that we've rearranged the WBS grouping. And we've also introduced 3 additional columns: Progress Start, Progress Finish, and Notes. Additionally, the primary resource label is now shown next to each progress bar. If an activity is reported as finished, it will have an empty green box in the progress column and fulfilled green bar on the bar chart. A yellow box with a number in it and a partly fulfilled bar represent that a task has been progressed, and the number stands for the days left to completion. Not started activities are displayed with a purple box and an empty bar. Depending on whether milestone is achieved or not, it will be colored in green or purple accordingly, similarly to the activities. The orange lines underneath the taskbars represent the baseline target dates for each task. Usually, you will aim to keep these as close as possible to the bars, as this will mean that you are on track to deliver your project as planned. Any misalignments could mean that an activity has been delayed, or it is taking longer to complete than what initially was planned. The darker blue lines inside the bars represent how progressed a task is in relation to the reported remaining days and its start date. The lighter blue lines represent dependencies between tasks. The current work plan period will be highlighted in yellow. As you scroll through your tasks, the timescale is being automatically adjusted. You can use the Auto Zoom toggle to switch between auto and manual timescales.